Today we are looking at how to add, multiply, subtract, divide using the paste function. So this I learned it from my wife. So she taught me how to do it. I didn't know about it. I think it's now more than 5 years ago when she taught me this skill. And I find it very cool and effective, especially if I have a lot of data and I just want to paste something and multiply it or add it or subtract it. So for example, I'll just give you an example here. If I want to increase these numbers, let me copy them here so that I can correct my original numbers. If I want to increase these numbers by 20%, so if I want to grow everything by 20%, what I could do is I could, for example, just say equals this times 1.2 and drag down the formulas. But what I can also do is I can just say there is 1.2. So that's like increasing by, if I multiply anything by 1.2, it means I have increased it by 20% basically. Then I can just say, highlight here and say paste special. Then I say, instead of saying, I can say values, but here I say I want to multiply. Then I multiply here. Then I increase everything by 20%. And also, for example, if I have other random numbers here, so these are my original numbers. If I put them here, and I have random numbers here, I'm just going to check them quickly. So these are my other numbers, and I want to paste these numbers. So I want to paste these ones on top of these ones and adding them. So I can just copy them and say paste special values and say add. Then I have added on top of what is there already. So so you could ask, where would it be very useful? So think of, let's say you have 10 products that you have. So these are my products that I have, the 10 products. And every month I get new numbers and I just want to add the year to date total. I can make use of this paste special and just add on top of the numbers that are there. So if my current month or my year to date is currently at this for each of the products, then these are my new numbers for the current month. To just add on top the new month value, I just copy it wherever I'm getting it from and just paste special, paste value, and I say I want to add. Or you can also say you want to subtract. Let's say you now say, now I made a mistake, I want to actually remove these numbers. Then you can say, okay, I want to remove the numbers from here, so I want to subtract. So paste special. Then I say values and I say subtract. And also in my similar example where I have maybe the different rates at which I want to probably increase these numbers by, maybe I want to increase this first one by 20%, or that's 1.2, the second one by 30%, the fourth one, and I will type the rest. So these are the percentage I want to increase. So here I want to increase 20%, 30%, 23%, and so on. So to do that, I just copy here, and I want to increase these numbers. I can then just say paste and multiply. Paste special and multiply. So there are quite a number of operations that you can do. If we can just go here, you can see here. If I may zoom in, you can see here the operations that you can do. So first one is no operation. So you just want to paste as it is, or you want to paste and multiply whatever is already there, or you want to add on top of whatever is already there, or you want to divide the number that is already there with the number that you are pasting, or you want to subtract the number you are pasting from the number that is already there. So there are quite a number of things that you can do with the paste special operation here. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button below and also subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified for other videos, and that also Excel can use that data. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to hit the like button so that also YouTube will know that people are liking the video and that it can be recommended to other users as well. Also, if you haven't yet for subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.